We deal with colonialism, extractive capitalism, this like incredible amount of systemic oppression, and are just like told that it's an individual thing where it's like, oh, are you stressed? Like, oh, do you have chronic illness? Like, oh, and so there's this masking that goes on. This is something that I really worry about. Like in my books, when I'm like, here's some tools to make yourself feel better. And I love those tools. I love being able to offer those to people, but I don't want to pretend like those tools are actually fighting the systemic injustices, because they're not. They're offerings that I want to be able to give to people. But for me, it's like in service of being able to help them, yes, but help them to be the people that they want to be in the world the way that it is right now.